In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Grok AI subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect as you wrap up your plan. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Grok website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you want to manage. If you're not already logged in, the site may prompt you to do so before you can continue. It's a good idea to confirm you're on the official site and that you recognize your profile once you're in. Once you're on the home page, look to the bottom left of the screen for your profile icon. This is typically a small avatar or user icon. Click it to open your personal menu. If your window is smaller, you might see a compact menu. The profile icon will still be there, just tucked into the interface. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you to the main area where you can adjust how your account works. Think of Settings as your control center for everything related to your profile and preferences. Inside Settings, navigate to the Account section. This is where billing and subscription details live. Clicking Account will reveal options tied to your plan, your payment method, and your renewal date. Next, choose Manage. This button is designed to take you into the dedicated billing portal for subscriptions. When you click it, expect to be redirected to the official account and billing page for Grok's subscriptions. On the subscription management page, you'll see details about your current plan, billing cycle, and renewal status. Take a moment to review this information so you understand when your next charge is due and what tier you're on. This page centralizes all subscription actions so you won't have to hunt around elsewhere. Here, click Manage again next to your active Grok plan. This opens the controls for that subscription. In this area, you'll find the option to cancel or turn off auto-renew along with any confirmations you need to complete. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the change. You may be asked to confirm your choice or provide a brief reason. That's normal. After you finish, look for a confirmation message on the page and keep an eye on your email for a receipt or confirmation notice. In many cases, your access will continue until the end of the current billing period, and you can return to the same Manage area if you decide to reactivate later. That's it. You've navigated from Grok into Settings and Account and used the Manage controls to handle your subscription. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel with confidence.